Good morning. Today is an exciting day because we are here at Bob Moses Ceramic Coating in St. George because Beestee's getting a makeover. She is going to get ceramic coated over the next few days, and we are so excited to be with Taz. So this is going to be really fun. There's Taz, and we are super happy. There she is right here. So we're in a huge bay. We'll talk to Taz here in just a second, but he's doing a walk around, so we've taken all the stickers off the back, but hopefully that won't cause too much drama. But if it does, I guess we'll deal with it, right, Taz?
We'll deal with that.
You'll deal with it?
We'll get those off easy.
You can get that off?
Yeah.
I worked at it, but it's pretty tough. I don't know what you use, but
We have some products that's really soft and it won't be harsh on the paint or the clear coat. And it'll just get some adhesive remover.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, it'll come off pretty.
Perfect.
And there's some here
Pretty
too.
darn easy. Okay.
This is Taz. Are you the owner, manager?
So part owner.
Part owner.
Part owner. So Zach, our shop manager.
Mm-hmm.
So Zach's dad and I and his uncle are partners. So they have a location in Springville and in Idaho Falls.
Very good. And so you guys have 3, and there's 2 in Utah.
Correct.
Now, you already did our Jeep,
Yes.
which we didn't talk about on the channel, but which we are very, very, very happy with. We did the winter 4x4 jamboree, and everything just sort of flew off of it. Nothing stuck. It was so good. It was great.
That's the beauty of
She's
it.
a little dusty, but nothing that
Yeah.
a little rinse off won't work out. So.
Yeah, a little dusty, but it comes right off. Nothing wants to stick to ceramic.
Oh, this is Zach.
Yes,
Oh,
the
wow.
shop manager here.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
This thing's beautiful.
thank you. So she's 5 years old.
Okay.
So advantages to do this?
So it's going to offer some UV protection. Okay. So here in the desert, we have some pretty harsh UV rays that come through, and the heat as well. Okay. So it's going to offer the UV protection, what's going to help the clear coat and the paint to keep its vibrant life and the deep, dark, rich colors. It has hydrophobic properties, right? So it helps it keep it clean. Nothing wants to stick to ceramic. And so when you're driving down the road and you come across whether it's bugs, bird droppings, or tree sap, or whatever the case may be, those things are just going to want to slide right off and not stick to that ceramic coating. Ease of maintenance is a big one. Okay, so ease of maintenance is huge. We've found that whatever time you're spending washing your coach, you can plan on cutting that off at least by half. I would say at least half the time, all you do is spray it down, soap it down, and then spray it down again. And that's all you need to do, right? So if you need to use a loungeable mitt to get some things off, that won't take you much time at all. And so that's going to be very beneficial as far as saving time. And then it's just going to be shiny and sparkly and look beautiful. And the ease of maintenance is going to be a huge benefit.
What are the steps that you're going to be taking over the next few days?
So a few steps that we're going to do is, one, we're going to clean it. So we'll pull it back out, we'll spray it off and make sure it's clean. And then we're going to do an inspection too as well. I was kind of already doing that a little bit just to see if there's anything that we need to be aware of. Chips in the paint, anything like that. So we want to do a full inspection of the coach, and we're going to start our multi-stage paint correction process. Okay. So multi-stage paint correction, which is basically buffing and polishing. We're going to start with a heavier cut pad. It's going to start removing some of the swirl marks and the scratches and any imperfections in the paint and the clear coat. So we're going to paint correct, buff, and polish the whole thing. I believe this is 38 feet. And we're going to move to a medium cut pad and medium cut polish. That's going to remove more of the swirl marks and micro scratches and start to bring out that glass-like finish. And then the last phase of that process is moved to a essence polish and a light pad. So the essence is amazing. It's a jeweling agent. Okay. So what that's going to do is going to bring out the glass-like finish, the mirror finish, and almost give it like it's a wet look. Better than showroom condition. And after that process is done, we're going to pull it out in the sun. We're going to sun check it. We also have LED lights, so we can do checks in the LED lights. That process looks good. What we're going to do is move to a decontamination process. Okay, so we're going to decontaminate every inch, top to bottom, front to back, windows, mirrors, trim, moldings, and remove all the contaminants humanly possible that might be on there, and that's to prepare the surface. Okay, so up to this point, really it's a preparation to prepare the surface to receive the ceramic coating. Your clear coat is porous, kind of like your skin. Okay, so we want to make sure that every piece of grime or dirt, contamination is removed from that clear coat, so the ceramic coating can bond properly, and that is what gives it its 8-year life. One of the things that will give it its 8-year life. With that, there's a little applicator that we use. It's probably about this big. It's kind of like a sponge. And so we'll put ceramic coating on there. And we use Sencha Japan ceramic. They're the oldest ceramic coating company in the world. So we're going to apply that by hand. It's not a spray on, so it's applied by hand. There's also a leveling process, so we're going to level it to make sure there's no high or low spots. There's a few other steps, but essentially in a nutshell, that is
those are the steps.
That's the
And about how long? 4 days, you said, I think?
Yeah. About 3 or 4 days for the process, and then we want to allow some time for it to cure as well.
Great.
So we'll be in touch throughout the week, give you an updates, just to make sure that you're aware, and then we'll schedule a pickup probably at the end of the week.
Perfect.
Today's a Monday.
Perfect. Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since we took Beestee to the Bob Moses ceramic coating here in St. George, and we're now on our way to pick her up, and we are excited. We really are. Wait to see what kind of sparkle and shine she has, and are looking forward to that added protection that they say will happen, right?
Yeah, especially for the sun and the salt.
Yeah.
And we get a lot of sun here in St. George. We get sun and salt in Texas.
Right.
So
which is one of our destinations coming up this spring.
Yep.
So we're looking forward to that, as well as the ease of cleaning and all the other things. So we're heading over there. We're going to talk to Zach. We're going to pull it out and take a look. So let's do it.
Hello.
Zach did almost all, or him and Jaden did all the work on our gorgeous, beautiful Beestee. We're so happy.
Good.
And so excited about what you did. Want to talk to us for just a minute?
We did a 3-stage multi-step paint correction on it. So we hit it with a heavy pad and a heavy compound, and then a medium pad and a medium compound, and then a high gloss polish and the high gloss polish pad. So we went over it 3 different times, every single spot, and it just looks so good.
That is, there's no machine that does this. It's this guy right here. He and Jaden.
It looks so good out here.
It does. Get it out in the sunshine, huh?
Yeah. The best way to look into it is catch the sun in it and then just look around the sun. There's like virtually nothing in this. We worked really hard on it. The ceramic coating that we put on, it's from Sencha Japan. It's an 8-year coating, and it adds like a whole new level. You can buff something, but if you don't put the Sencha on it, it's like, once you put the Sencha on it, it's like game changer.
Yeah. Well, and a lot of good protection from sun and sea salt.
Road grime, tar, everything is just easier to clean on it. And then yeah, to get life out of your paint again,
What about bugs?
no bugs.
No bugs.
No bugs.
No
you
bugs
can
will
just
stick to
literally
it.
spray them off. And if there's a
Nice.
big one that hits there and you don't get it off in time, hot rag, some hot water on a rag, and some of our glass clean spot cleaner, you just very lightly, and it's gone.
Take that bug right
It's
off.
gone.
Awesome.
Yep.
We're going to link Bob Moses ceramic coatings in St. George in the description below, all their Instagram and everything. So we'll make sure to list all their socials. If you're interested, you can give them a call, and I'll have that number for you. And
Come join the family.
there's hundreds and hundreds of RVs have been
Yeah.
coated by Bob Moses, and we're very excited to now be part of that. So if you haven't already,
Like and subscribe.
you bet.
Follow the adventure.
Exactly.
Follow Beestee now.
Until next time, Russ's friends, you take care.
Bye.